So for my wedding, I wanted to add several personal touches, and I did this through DIY projects. I started off by making the bouquets for both myself and the bridesmaids. As you can see here, we have the pearl bouquets for the bridesmaids, and I made these by using wire and individual pearl beads. And I took the wire and twisted each individual bead and then gathered it together into a bouquet and wrapped a ribbon around the stem. I knew that I didn't want to have traditional flowers, and I love pearls, so I thought this was a good option. And for myself, I did a similar thing, but I used brooches. And just like the pearls, I individually wrapped each brooch onto the wire and then gathered them together into a bunch. Now the difference with the brooch bouquet is that I also used some silk flowers as the base and added the brooches onto that. For the flower girl, I made a hand-painted sign that said "Here comes the bride" on the one side and then "Just married" on the other. I also made all the place cards for the guests as well, and I added a purple bow with a pearl just to tie in my theme. Next, I made a hand-painted aisle runner, which I painted on my husband and I's monogram and wedding date. I just thought this was a nice touch as well. The last element that I DIY'd was our gift card box, and this is a pre-made box that I added embellishments to with ribbons, crystals, and pearls in our wedding colors. Those are all of my wedding DIY accessories. Please let me know in the comment section below if you would like any tutorials, and also check out my Etsy shop. The link is below as well. You can find any of these accessories as well, and I can make them customized to your specific wedding colors.
Please subscribe and watch my videos.